Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 43 of building the Batmobile. In this issue, we're going to be starting on some chrome work, some exhaust pipes, I think. I'm looking at the greatest mother of them all, Mother Earth, Ma Parker, apparently. Shelley Winters played her in episode 43 from season 2. There we go. It's the one where the Batmobile is set to explode when it reaches 60. It's sort of the anti-speed. There you go. Dynamite in the engine. Will the Batmobile be blasted? Will Boy Wonder be bombed? Will Batman be blown to bits? Tune in next week to find out in the exciting conclusion, probably. I don't know. There we go. The man behind the red hood. I don't know who the red hood is, but he forgot to cut eye holes in his mask. Very, very strange. The Justice Society of America. Good stuff. More Batman family. Year by year. And yes, this is what we've got. Assembling and fitting the exhaust pipes to the rear. We've got to make a pipe with put a into a post inside a muffler top, and then fit that to the chassis, and then do the same on the other side and fit that to that as well. So we get some chrome added to our black at last, and it will look a bit like that, but in more colour. Well, a little bit more colour. Most of it is still black, but you know what we're doing. Right, so let's clear this out of the way and let's get this built. Right, so we've got our parts. We've got two mirrored parts and two other parts that are the same, but we do have to put them on particular orders. We've got KP screw, which we're going to use to put this together to begin with. Quite a little screw, those. But should still work fine in my go-to screwdriver. So this is going on there, side there like that. That will hold that together. Going across there. The other bit will be going across the other side, but not quite yet. We've got to install this side first. But before we install it, we've got to grab an AP screw and fit this muffler to it. I'll leave the other one out because we're going to be using that in a minute anyway. Put it with it. So it does have a little arrow in there, making sure you get that the correct way round. That's got to go on there that way round. That goes in there just like that. So there will obviously be some more coming off the other side, but not quite yet. That's going to be going on there. What I'm going to do is install this on there first. I can't see that going wrong. Can you? Did I put that on the right way up? Wait, let's check. Oh, I've put this on completely upside down. So let's turn that around. Take that off of there. I got it the right way round, but I've got this part the wrong way round while I was doing it. So let's take that off there, turn that over, and then that goes on there. Much harder to do. Because of the shaping of it, it's a little bit tricky. Can't do it laying down now. I've got to pick it up to do it. There we go. So that will now then go on there. That's fine. Good stuff. So now let's bring in the rest of it, and then we'll see what we're going to be doing. A CM screw will hold that in place, and then we'll do the whole thing over again. So let's get the CM screws out. That over there. Right. So this has got to go onto here. Right. Move it that way up. It goes under there, around that way, like that, and that's going to go about there. So this is going that side of that. So I've got to thread it in from there. Sort of do it, and that's got to go under there. Hang about. We can go under the entire wheel, can't we? Maybe. There we go. That goes in there like that. That will go on there like that with that CM screw holding that bit together. Good stuff. Nice to have some colour added to it. So that's what we've got there. Then we need to make this bit up. So that's going to go on there like that. And I need to screw that from the other side. So I'll get to that in a moment. I've got to turn it all over. Might as well finish off this side first. What was that? I need the KP. Now the KP is the bit that holds that bit together. That's the bit that goes on from the other side. This is the bit that's going to hold that together. So we'll get that arrow pointing the same way. That is not quite on camera, but nearly there. I can manoeuvre things around a little bit more. There you go. So we're getting that on there. I can do that down here actually. We'll go in there. Sort of like that, but harder to do at an angle. Try that again. Harder to do when it's not attached to anything because it's all moving all over the place. On there, going into there. Yeah, it's really tricky. That to go there, and that to go on there. A bit like that. There we go. Once it starts, it's not too bad because then you don't have to keep track of it. You don't have to keep hold of it. So then that will go in there. Great. We've got this one. We'll hold that on there. Just like the other side. Tighten that up in a minute because I will need a bit of give to that while I turn it over. And get that one through there. So there we go. After a few more bits of tightening to go, that's got some chrome added to that. Nice. I like it. I like having some silvery bits. So yeah, there we go. That is that, and the end of that is just sort of hanging loose for now. That's fine, as is intended for now. Next time I think we're doing a little bit standalone bit, but it's again in silvery bits, but we'll see about doing that soon. So thanks for watching. Stay safe. I shall see you for more very soon. Bye bye for now.